It's that time of year. Only farmers will understand. But unlike other farmers, I don't need an international harvester to do the job for me. I'm man enough to harvest my own crops. As you see, it's been a bumper year. Let's see here. That's right, baby. Bumper crop. And not just one, my friends. No. 2 corns. I think this is the best they're going to do this year since it's going to get cold soon. So, feast. No, Sean, we won't go hungry this year. Mother Nature's been good to us in our land. Praise be to God. Gonna go home and make some cornbread. My pumpkins. Here's my crop. All right.